A number is stored at memory location 2400H. Divide the number by 2 and store quotient and remainder at memory location 2401H and 2402H. This program we have to write using AND operation and rotate instruction. To understand the logic, let's move to the scrolled screen here. Suppose here 8 bits are there. Instead of bits, we are taking a decimal digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If this number is to be divided by 10, if we consider the number is in decimal form and that number is to be divided by 10, what logic is to be applied? Shift one decimal place towards left. As we shift one decimal place towards left, the last digit represents the remainder part and the remaining digits when shifted towards left represents the quotient part. That means here 0 should not be there. This digit should not be there. This digit should be shifted towards right and it should be made 0. It will represent the quotient part. Whatever logic we applied for a decimal number when the number is divided by 10, the same logic is to be applied when the number is in binary form and we are dividing the number by 2. Here divide by 10, we are shifting one decimal place towards left. Here when divide by 2 is there, you have to shift one bit towards the left. One bit towards the left. And whatever the bit value is there at this place, it represents the remainder. This bit value you required as it is. Therefore, for that particular bit value, you perform the AND operation with logical 1, and for remaining bit value, you perform the logical operation with 0. Logical AND with 0. When you perform the logical AND with only last bit and remaining bit with 0, the number becomes in hexadecimal 01. This value you will get as it is. It represents the remainder part. It represents the remainder part. And when quotient part is to be determined, the remaining bit values you required as it is and the least significant bit you don't require. That means this part you required as it is. So perform the logical AND operation, putting here 1, 1, 1, 1, the number you required as it is, and the number which you don't require, put there 0. That means perform the logical AND with a number FE. You'll get the value as it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 0. Here you will get 0. But the quotient part is only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This 0 you don't require. So what you have to do? You have to rotate the accumulator in right direction. When you rotate the accumulator in right direction, this 0 takes the position of most significant bit and remaining bits are required towards left, and whatever part you will get, that represents the quotient. This is the logic when the number is to be divided by 2. Now write down the instructions. LXI H2400, in HL you will get number 2400. HL represents the memory, move M to A, the number 0D comes to the accumulator. In accumulator column you have written 0D. ANI with 01, here ANI with 01, bits are not required in red, bits which is required, that is least significant bit, therefore ANI with 0 1. This one you will get as it is, it represents the remainder part. Shift this remainder part to register B with the help of move A to B. Move M to A, again the original number from memory 2400 is brought to accumulator. That number is brought to accumulator. The remaining bit position you require as it is to find out the quotient, and last bit is not required, therefore it is in red, therefore you ANI and immediate with FE. All bits values you will get as it is except last. At last bit you will get 0 because here the bit is 0 and you are performing the AND operation. But this is not the answer. You have to shift this bit towards the right. Therefore RRC. With the help of RRC you will get the answer as 06. INX H. HL gets incremented by 1. And whatever the number in accumulator which represents the quotient, it is transferred to that memory location. It goes there. INX H, it becomes 2402. Move B to M. Whatever the value in register B that represents the remainder, it goes to that particular memory location. Reset, set memory 2000, increment 21, increment 00, increment 24, increment 7E, increment E6, increment 01, increment 47, increment 7E, increment E6, increment FE, increment 0F, increment 23, increment 77, increment 23, increment 70, increment 76, increment. This is we entered the program. Now enter the data. Reset set exam memory 2400, increment number 0D, increment. Now execute the program. Reset, go 2000 and execute. You will get the answer at 2401, quotient part 06, at 2402, remainder part that is 01. Here you will get the contents of register. 06, 01 remainings are not used. Here HL 2402. The last value in the memory is 01. Program aimed at 24200F. Here check the register, register A, register B, register C not used, register D not used, register E not used, register H used 24, L02, memory 01, stack pointer and program counter.